pound Parmigiano Reggiano that we import from Italy. Once they are imported, they have to be refrigerated at a certain temperature. We cannot underestimate the importance of natural gas because the power that it gives us, starting from the refrigerator, electricity, the stove, everything. This is something that we would not even be able to function without it. Once you throw the pasta in the boiler, you have 3 minutes, no more, no less, because otherwise it gets sticky or it doesn't have the same consistency. The pasta and the sauce, they need to blend in a harmonious way. So the fact that we have the gas and we can decide how high it needs to be, that helps us to create the perfect dish.